It's Jaden. It's Sunday morning. I'm having my granola fruit bowl with some nuts, and today I'm actually gonna go and have lunch and dinner at two of my favorite plant-based vegan restaurants in LA. And one is Indian and the other one is Thai. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me to check them out together. Okay. Hi guys, I'm on Main Street, Santa Monica. I'm about to go and have lunch at the Samosa House West, which is a Indian buffet that has plant-based vegan menu, and it's super tasty. I come here quite often. They have a lot of varieties, so you don't get bored. I get so tired of the same vegan dishes that are like, you know, hummus plate or vegan burger or stuff like that. Now this place has all these different things, and yeah, so I will bring you guys in with me. So guys, check out what I got for like 10 bucks, okay? So I'm being like the craziest person with the vlog in here. I apologize, I went to the Thai vegan place as well, but they were not open today. I didn't know that. I couldn't do the review today, but I will definitely go back and check it out for you guys in my future video. All right, thanks. Marina Del Rey on the beach. It's so gorgeous today. So after lunch, I just thought I'd just come out and sit by the water. There's not that many people out, usually on Sundays, so it's very nice and relaxing here. It's always good for me to take time for myself and just have quiet time. It's very good for my anxiety and the adrenal fatigue stuff. Even though I've like recovered from it, I'm still trying to maintain a as balanced of a lifestyle as I can to make sure that I continue to rebuild my body and get back to my, you know, optimal state of being in every way. And mentally, I definitely need the quiet. My life is just always so full of stuff, and so full of stuff that I love, but it's still very intense all the time. Because of acting in my own creative business, I am always dealing with people, and so it's really great to have alone time. I really recommend that for everyone, to just kind of stop and just be by yourself. Have time to just do nothing. I also wanted to share with everybody all the things that I've noticed ever since I've gotten back on plant-based vegan diet, predominantly raw. I feel a lot lighter, not just body weight or fat loss, but I just feel like my digestion is, you know, a lot better, and my stomach is so much more relaxed after I eat that I just feel lighter. Like I'm not putting my body under the same amount of digestive stress. I definitely have more energy, and partially because of the decrease in the stress load, I just naturally have more energy. My sleep is deeper. I still had remnants of anxiety dreams. I've noticed that they've gotten better since I went plant-based vegan again. I also noticed that I can push more and more. It's a very gradual change. You know, ever since this whole health crash, it coming back has not been accelerating path. Like I remember there was times in the past when I had certain stressful events in my life, and I would kind of be kind of down, and my health wasn't as well as it usually is, and I was always able to come back really quickly, and my recovery always like doubled in speed every week. It wasn't the case this time. I think this is a deeper, more severe health issue that I went through and recovered from. So, the whole recovering process was very gradual. There were bouts where, like, I felt like, oh yeah, today I had a great day, and it felt like I jumped a notch back to well-being, but it wasn't regular. It wasn't consistent. It was very gradual. You would take 3 steps forward, 1 step back, 2 steps forward, 2 steps back, 2 steps forward, 1 step back. It was like a very gradual up climb. Yeah, that's very new for me. I've recovered from some pretty tough stuff in my life, and this is definitely the longest and the most gradual process I've been through so far. I'm really thankful though. I'm fully back to myself. I'm just not back to my, optimal self. But as far as working out, everyday stuff, doing my work, and yeah, I could do everything. And I don't feel that I'm afraid to push anymore or anything like that. But I still don't have the kind of reserves that I used to have, where I could push through anything for days and I would just recover. I don't have that now. I get more exhausted more easily, and I definitely need my sleep more than before. So I'm still working on getting myself back to where I have that extra reserve. I've been working on that for the last 2 months. I'm sure you've seen it in my other videos. I continue to talk about this, where I feel like I'm back to myself, but I want to be the ultimate version of myself again. It's definitely heading in that direction, but it's very gradual. I do believe that for myself, that going back doing plant-based vegan, predominantly raw, has been very good for my recovery. I also stopped taking all the other herbs and supplements for the adrenal fatigue and anxiety, because I felt like I didn't need them anymore. And when I would listen to my body, if I had continued to take them, I felt like it wasn't doing me any good anymore. In fact, it made me feel like a little overloaded with vitamins. So I stopped. I just listened to my body and stopped. If you're going through this, please check with your doctor and get professional help first. Don't ever just take my words, or like people on YouTube who you really don't know who any of these people or me or anyone truly is. So you want to make sure you do your own research, figure out what's right for yourself. That's what I did. I definitely love sharing my experiences with you guys, and I know through the comments that it's been helping a lot of you with so many aspects of the adrenal fatigue, the anxiety, and all the supplements and stuff like that. So I'm very happy to be able to share that on my channel with you guys. With the plant-based vegan diet, I have less water retention, and I also have less inflammation, and my joints don't hurt as bad, and the chronic joint pains I've been having on my lower back and right hip has been slowly going away. Again, the recovery is very gradual, but I do notice a difference. I pay very close attention to how my body is feeling day by day, so I can really say that throughout this last 2 months, I've made some improvements. These last 2 weeks being on plant-based vegan diet has definitely made a difference. I'm not somebody who likes to promote anything and make it sound like, oh, this is, you know, the end-all be-all for everyone, because clearly it isn't. And that's why there's so many different opinions with diets, exercise, and, you know, everything on the media, on everything. So I just try to figure out what's working for me at this point in time, and just allow myself the flexibility to change and evolve, and do whatever I continue to feel is right for me. And that's what, I guess that's the message I would like to deliver for people who are watching my channel, is that, you know, just get inspired and figure out what's good for yourself. It doesn't have to be like me, it doesn't have to be like anybody else. It can be bits and pieces of other people's experiences or other people's advice. You just mix and match and make it your own. You know, it just that doesn't have to ever be like one thing or like something that's so forever. I grew up on plant-based, and then I decided I wanted to eat meat and everything, and I did. And then I went back to it a few times and went back to eating everything a few times. And every part of the experience was very good. I felt really great making all those choices at those moment in time. So just trust your instincts and listen to yourself, and do what's right for you. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed my video again today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.